Here's how to install DeepSeek R1 into the Craft Assistant. First, we need some text. Select it and tap the Assistant icon. Then, select the new model, DeepSeek R1. It's going to bring up an alert that says you need to download the model to use it on your device. You're going to go to Settings, tap Assistant, and then hit Download. Once the download is complete, the model will be installed on your device. Next, we're going to go offline on my device. Now we're going to go back into the dock, select the content inside of it, and bring up the assistant again. Switch over to the DeepSeek model that's running on your device. And for this text, we're going to actually create some action items. You can read the reasoning as the model thinks, and then it's going to create the answer, which you can insert below. And that's it.